Hi, thanks for watching this Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name is Joe, and today we'll be reviewing how to change the battery in your DMP-1105-W wireless transmitter. Before you get started, make sure you call Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center to let them know that you'll be changing the battery, as this will send a tamper alarm to your panel and to Amherst Alarms Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is a DMP-1105-W wireless transmitter. To get started, you're going to want to pull the cover off by squeezing down on the top and bottom and pulling away. It has a CR123A lithium battery. You're going to want to just pull it out gently. And then to put it back in, there are indicators showing which way the battery should face. Just gently slide it in. It doesn't require too much force. And when you put the cover back on, make sure you put the bottom on first and then slowly push the top into place. You'll hear a click. That's it. Thanks for watching this Amherst Alarm tutorial video. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thank you.